Hey guys, so I got this error and I'll show you how to fix this, how to enable Hvci for Valorant. How do you fix this error? It's very easy. First, I want you to come at the bottom left, right click on the start icon, and then click on settings. Now once your settings open up, I want you to come here to update and security. Just go ahead and click on this, and on the left hand panel, you'll see Windows Security. Click on Windows Security, okay? And here you'll see a bunch of different options. So under protection areas, come here, click on a device security, and we'll get this window popping up. Okay. And here I want you to click on core isolation details under core isolation. And all you needed to do was actually toggle this on. Okay. You can see memory integrity. Once we toggle this on, it will enable our core isolation. Okay. And then your Valorant should work. The issue should be fixed. It's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.